So this project was kicked off by one of our most innovative engineers.
2013, we had a moment where over a few conversations there were several key components that just came together. The timing was right.
He came to me and said, we're approaching a convergence point where smartphones will have enough processing power to run a software-based GNSS receiver.
And it was a tool that we were wondering if we could deploy, and at that point we didn't really know what the computing power would be required. There's a number of unanswered questions.
In order to make that much more accessible to the general public, we needed to simplify the technology, get rid of the base station, make it easier to use, make it smaller and lighter, and make it more affordable.
So we were batting around a whole bunch of different ideas of how we could get better quality measurements to get better positions. And one of the ideas that I came up with was to do a software-based receiver.
Greg basically went away and thought about the problem and came back and described in a very succinct way this convergence point. And I've always been a believer that there are windows of opportunity, points where it's the right time to bring a technology to market.
Now, for the first time, we feel it's practical to do all of that processing that goes on in dedicated chips is now feasible to be done on a standard computing platform like the main processor of your phone.
This technology is small and light. You're carrying your cell phone in your pocket anyway. You have this small lightweight antenna that can be in the glove box of your car, can be in your backpack.
Because the technology is so user-friendly, everyone has a smartphone, so you can pretty much just pick it up and use it. So any industry where people have smartphones, which is everything in the world pretty much right now, you can just add this on and now you have a completely new functionality within your phone.
I'm really excited to see what are people going to do with centimeters? What are the applications that we haven't even begun to think of?
It's available on demand, it's convenient, it's affordable.
We're putting high accuracy positioning into the hands of everyone. It's revolutionary.
I never thought I could have this level of position associated with a phone. Where can I take this? What can I do with this?
I truly believe that this will open doors that we did not even know existed.
This is the future, and Trimble wants to be part of that future.